Of all the outdoor activities that Steamboat Springs has to offer, from world-class skiing to exceptional golfing, superb mountain biking, hiking, exploring, the one that might be closest to my heart is fly fishing. And you don't have to travel too far to find some great waters. Whether you choose to fish just off Main Street in downtown Steamboat, or test the waters just outside of town, what awaits you is year-round, world-class fishing. Steamboat offers many options for those fishing enthusiasts. There are two primary rivers that flow either through or near Steamboat Springs. Those rivers are the Yampa River and the Elk River. There's also some great stillwater fisheries near Steamboat Springs as well, mainly Steamboat Lake, Stagecoach Reservoir, Pearl Lake, and not to mention the many high-altitude lakes that produce great fishing as well. The Yampa River is a tributary to the Green River, and it's approximately 250 miles long. The Yampa River is the second largest watershed in the state of Colorado, which begins in the flat tops in northwest section of our state. Rainbow trout are the predominant fish in both these rivers, although it's very likely you'll catch a brown trout, cutthroat, or even a brook trout if you're persistent. The Yampa is an anomaly in Colorado. Unlike most western rivers which have been dammed, diverted, or otherwise appropriated, the Yampa runs wild, although the average flows range from 90 to 120 cubic feet per second. The Elk River forms between Columbine and Hans Peak in the Rocky Mountains of Routt National Forest. It's situated in the far northern Colorado, just a few miles south of the Wyoming border. The Elk River is a bit larger than the Yampa River, but eventually flows into the Yampa just west of Steamboat Springs. Whether it's rivers or lakes, the fishing in and around Steamboat Springs is some of the best trout fishing in Colorado. Steamboat Springs, a trout lovers and recreational paradise.